Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Speak English Level 1. Today, we are going to talk about something very special, my family. I'll show you how to describe your family in English step by step. By the end of this video, you will be able to talk about your family for over 10 minutes and maybe even tell a story. So let's get started. First, let's start with the basics. How many people are in your family? And who are they? In my family, there are 4 people. Me, my mom, my dad, and my older sister. You can also say, I come from a small family, just 3 of us, me, my mom, and my dad. Or, if your family is bigger, my family is very big. There are 7 of us, me, my parents, 3 brothers, and a little sister. Some people use the word nuclear family for 4 people, 2 parents and 2 children. Example, I come from a nuclear family. My mom and dad, me, and my big brother. Now let's talk about where my family lives. We live in Los Angeles, USA, in a small but comfortable house. Sometimes a family member might live somewhere else. For example, my sister studies in Canada. She lives in a student dormitory there. Or, my older brother is married. He has his own apartment close to us. Now, let's talk about who are all the people in your family. My dad is tall with black hair and glasses. He works as an engineer. He is hardworking and kind. My mom is short with curly hair. She is energetic and funny. She loves cooking and taking care of our home. My sister is medium height with long hair. She studies computer science and enjoys painting. And I am Emma. I'm learning English. Let's describe what they look like and their personalities. My dad is tall, a little overweight, and wears glasses. He is strict but caring. My mom is short, slim, and full of energy. She has a great sense of humor. My sister has long black hair and a cheerful smile. Remember, keep it simple. A few details about looks and personality are enough. What do you like to do together? Families enjoy doing things together. In my family, we have Sunday lunch together. It's very important to my mom. Go on holidays every year. My dad plans everything. Go fishing. My brother and I mostly explore by the river while Dad fishes. What do you like to do with your family? Say it out loud. Who are your extended family? Now, let's talk about my extended family. Grandparents, uncles, aunts, and cousins. I have 3 cousins. One I see all the time. The others live far away. On my dad's side, my aunt loves reading, so we often talk about books. Use words like grandfather, grandmother, uncle, aunt, cousin. These can cover many people. What do you like about your family? Let's talk about what I like and what is a little annoying. My dad is funny, but he whistles around the house. It drives me crazy. My sister is great at maths and helps me with homework. But her loud music sometimes annoys me. Saying 1 or 2 positive things and 1 small negative thing makes your English sound natural and fluent. What are the future plans for your family? Now let's imagine the future. My sister will go to Australia for college next year. My brother is planning his wedding soon. My mom hopes I will do well in school and go to university. I hope to make my family proud and travel with them someday. That's all about my family. I hope this video gives you ideas to talk about your own family in English. Remember, there are so many things to talk about. Your family is special. Try practicing each section. You could easily talk about your family for over 10 minutes. Leave a comment and tell me about your family. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Speak English One Level.